Okay, welcome back everybody. Today we coming back with another rebuild, and today we gonna do the Clippers. Clippers are in a weird spot right now. I just saw Bradley Beal's out for the season, so that's that's pretty tough. And also they are 3-8 on the season, or no? Okay, they're 3-7. Chris Paul's gonna retire. Harden's getting older. It's an interesting lineup. Cause now I'm gonna have to put oh shit! I didn't want to do that. I gotta make him injured in the game. It's like a surgery. Sure, he gonna be out for a while. But now that he's down, they still got Kawhi, who's actually looked pretty good. How many games has he played though? He played 6 games. He's still missing games. Like, I don't know. Harden's doing a lot. Oh, we are here. They did just lose to the Nuggets, I believe. So we gonna just send one more. We gotta fix that up because Beal's out. Yeah, okay. Well, that's how the squad's doing. Harden still looks good. Kawhi still looks good. I've been hearing, I haven't really watched a whole lot of Clippers games, but I've been hearing Zoo's having kind of a down year from what he had last year. Still looks great, obviously, but just slightly less production. John Collins has been playing good. I've seen that for sure. Washed. Good season. Washed. Really washed, man. This is not looking good for Chris Paul, bro. I should have stepped. I should have retired last year. Chris Dunn, old. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. I don't know what we even do. We're already bad. Just look what's on the board. This is crazy. This is crazy. Now, I would do that in a heartbeat. Let's see. Is there some more real options? I don't think Kawhi going back to the Spurs, but that's interesting. Get Jaden McDaniels and Julius Randle. That's interesting. This Jaylen Brown one's cool because, like, we get Jaylen Brown, right? A lot younger, a lot healthier. We get rid of two older guys and bring in a good backup point guard. It's just, would this ever happen? The answer is no. This is not ever gonna happen. I don't know. Did we wait until the deadline or something to trade Kawhi? Cause I don't know. But we could just flip him right now. We bring in Jaylen Brown, and that's step one, right? We gotta get a few good players. I do like this though. I feel like De'Aaron Fox is having a weird, like, he's in kind of a weird situation in San Antonio now, where they don't really need him as much as they did when they first acquired him, which really wasn't that long ago. I think Carter Bryant's young and he will probably be pretty good. I think we just waited out for Dow with Sim till the deadline. It's not like, I don't know, maybe if you guys can get their value up. Unless I just see something I like I feel like we'll get something more back for him later on, but we're turning it around. We're winning some games now. Beat the Thunder. Beat the Thunder twice. Beat the Lakers twice, okay. They got Keyshawn George up to a 81. That's tough. He's playing really good. But no, we're not doing that. Not a damn chance. Hopefully this don't take too long. I know the last few videos I made have been about an hour. But it was the situation. Maybe this is the one we're gonna get done first couple seasons. I mean, so far we do look very good, and I do like our coach. I don't think we'll need to change much up coaching wise. I like Ty Lue. But ooh, this is cool. But like, how much is like the only thing I'd do this for is Rob, but I don't know how good he's even gonna be. He could be exciting. I feel like he's gonna have a Jamal Crawford kind of year. I don't know if we need Jamal Crawford right now. We'll see. Let me just make some moves at the deadline. Kessler for Zubac. How old is Zoo? We might as well keep him. He's like the one good thing that's been like developed there and on the Clippers. Miles Bridges? No. I can't have that man on my team. Demis Keita for Chris Paul. I'm sorry, Chris. That's just... he's gonna be better for us, so... Jalen Williams, no. I like Derrick Jones too. There's a few good role players on this team I like, but they need something different going on. I don't believe this is how the rest of the season's gonna go for them, but we'll see. Svi Mihalik is a shooting guard. Oh shit, I always thought he was a lot taller. He just comes in and shoots the ball. I respect it. That might be the best thing we can get. We get a second round pick. I'll do it. Just because he's probably going to retire by the end of the season. Okay, we're at the trade deadline. Harden's our only point guard. He's looked amazing, actually. Harden's playing insane. Okay, yeah, something's got to happen here. We can trade him right away? Okay. Okay, someone gonna give up a first? I saw that other first, but it was lottery projected, but I'd still take that. From Golden State. I don't think that'll be a lottery pick. That's a first for him, so that's not bad at all. I'm not done here though. We're gonna make some more moves. What can old ass Batum get us? Something. I don't want to have to give up anything for him. The fact Jashawn Tate is 30 is crazy. I didn't even realize that. Damn. Well, that's a second. That might be our best bet, unless we want to bring in. Nah. I'm not giving up a second for him. There's no way. Cam Spencer. Sam Merrill. No, I'm not giving up a pick. Bring Amir Coffee back. He was good for us. Said I would. Welcome back, Amir Coffee. Okay. I don't think Cam Christie's ever going to turn into anything, to be honest. So if I don't see any firsts here, I'll take those 2 seconds from Cleveland. I'm giving up, just emptying the second rounders. And then one of these 2 guards got to move back to the point. Probably going to be Chris Dunn. We're just gonna keep moving. Well, we got a few more assets. So we weren't dead at the deadline, but didn't switch it up too much. I think with the off-season starts, we'll make some moves. Let's look at the contract extensions. I'm not giving him that. He can walk. Maybe we should have traded him because I think he has an option. He doesn't have an option unless we bring him back and just flip him, which I might do because he's someone will want him. I don't think he's a bad player. I have both of them. What did I swear that's supposed to be who the AI picked up. Okay, I swear he's retired. How's this dude doing? He's actually not. I'd give him a minimum. And that's all we're doing. Let's see how the playoffs goes. We could be a championship team. Who knows? Like, it low-key looks like it right now, but yep, there it goes. There's Kawhi's hamstring. That's why we can't fucking win. So he's gone. Harden's probably gone too, to be honest. They just need some young faces in there. Oh shit, I didn't mean to jump in. So last season, yeah, we won. We're the 1 seed. These are all your awards. I mean, Clippers. Harden, all NBA second team. He actually balled out, so he's gonna have some value. If we don't end up winning, what do I even do? I feel like it's not good enough video for y'all, but we'll see. We still don't have Kawhi. Don't matter, okay, we won round 1. How much longer Kawhi out for? 1 or 2 weeks? We can get past Minnesota. Never mind, we got Kawhi back. Let's shorten that bench. And okay, we lost in 7 in the second round. I think that's how we're gonna end that experiment. Everyone's gotta stay 1 more year. Except CP. CP's gone. He's retired. Everyone else can stay. Trying to make Westbrook retire. Hell no. We didn't give up a good pick, 'cause I know the Thunder have our pick anyways. Do we have the Thunder's pick? No. So Hawks get the number 1 pick. Don't believe we have any picks, actually. Do we? Oh, oops. We have the 23rd pick in the second round, which is something. Let's see, what can we do here? I don't know how good his trade value is, so I'm gonna set it on something lower. Like, is that crazy? Dyson's only 23. I know he's not great in 2K. But I feel like we can make a good package with this team. But they got Trae Young, yeah. If you give us Dyson Daniels, Asa Newell, and the 23rd pick, what do you think of that? No? We'll give you the 23rd pick in the second round. We gotta give something else up. When did he get on our team? He's also retired. I don't know what happened here, bro. John Collins too. There we go. We probably didn't have to give up John Collins, but we do what we gotta do. We now have a first round pick and a second round pick. Do we keep Harden? Like, he's gonna regress, so I don't. Oh, we can't even trade him right now. So we got our center, or two. Bogdanovich can, if I can somehow finesse something, like a good pick. Oh no. I don't know. Let's skip to the workouts. Who's in the draft and what do we want? 'Cause maybe we can move up. Nate Ament, 78. Who's the best guy? This dude, Darren. Okay, yeah, Darren Peterson. I got him ranked 1 across the board. He's gonna be P. Maravich. Looking at it, like we need a bit of everything. I kind of like Dyson going forward, and maybe Asa Newell will be decent, but we don't know that. And I like Zoo, so maybe a wing. I don't know. We'll see. Do we try to trade up? That's always an option. We go these 2 picks to get us, like, is the 12th pick kind of crazy? We go Derek Jones, and they give us Torian Prince. Yeah, let's do it. With the 12th pick. Okay, there's still some good guys on the board. Hold on. I've heard of this dude. Looks like he'd be pretty good. And Kareem Lopez looks pretty good too. And he's a skilled stretch 4, I think. Would we be crazy to pass up on him? Kareem. Let's see if my guy doesn't get taken in the next few picks. Okay. Toronto. I want that pick. They have to give something up. We don't have draft capital to give up. We're not getting it. Okay. Hopefully they don't draft him. That would suck. Okay. Chicago. Chicago will give you Torian Prince for that 18th pick. We'll give you Torian Prince and Bogdanovich. No. Did they take him? No. How many more can he fall? Because if we can get to 20. No. Okay, Miami picked him up. Whatever. We got our guy. Bradley Beal fucking accepted his option. Of course he did. Okay. So we do have somebody. We do have somebody, which means we could go get somebody. I believe. We do. We could bring LeBron to the Clippers. We're not gonna do that. think like we might have to bring back Hart. I don't want to bring back Hart. No, I want to get a younger roster. Like, do we bring in Cam Thomas just to, or Ben Matherin? I'd give him a nice deal. If we can steal him away from the Pacers, I'd give him like some money they just can't match. Like I'll go upwards of 25. I will give him 25 actually. 25 on a 3-year team option. Let's see what that can get me. Then I mean, I'd rather have Austin Reeves than not have him, you know? Okay, Austin Reeves didn't sign. We did get Ben Matherin though. We can bring back Harden. Like, do we? Might as well just trade him. This is what the roster's looking like. It's a bit better, I think, but we don't really need Chris Dunn no more. What can we get? Moses Moody? Yeah. I'd do that in a heartbeat, but let's just see what else they got. They give us a first. We get 2 firsts from the Hornets. That's interesting. We give up a second. Who cares about that? Let's pick up those 2 picks. We can get a backup point guard anywhere. Or we could bring in, I don't want to bring in Dinwiddie. I'd grab Scottie Pippen though. And then just let's get a few guys to fill out the rotation. If Corey Kispert want to come along, sure. If Josh might not want to come along, and if Jamal Shed want to join the squad, I don't have enough money to bring in Kispert. Okay. I don't know. My main goal here is just give it, Amir can come back. We're broke now. Dean Wade as the 3rd string power forward. Okay. Harden went down 4-5. Oh my god. Okay, well, Red, we should have already traded him, I guess. But I like what we got back for Kawhi. I do like what we got back for Kawhi. LeBron's gonna retire. I don't think I can trade James yet, right? Not until December 20th. Let's see what we can get for him right away, because I know this team's gonna be good. If we are, cool, but I doubt it. Also, I do want to look at our draft pick situation. Okay, we swap with the Thunder, so we don't even have our own first. 2028, we got lottery protected Warriors pick. 2029, we got 4 first-round picks right now. 3 first-round picks. And then 2030, we finally have, and in 31, we have our first back. Okay. Let's just not be god-awful. This is a hard team to rebuild because they are in such a weird position. But they have no young assets at all or no picks, so we gotta approach it differently. This is interesting, maybe. He can shoot. He can't shoot. He's making money. I don't want to pay him, so yeah, it's not happening. At least the young guys are getting minutes. We're not even bad. We're still having a good year, even after flipping like half the roster over. Yabusele. Yeah, I'd do that for sure. We do have Ben. Oh yeah, I forgot we picked up Ben Mathurin. Damn, he's been cooking. That was a good pick. He's actually playing great. Harden still got it. Someone will want that. Dyson's play good defense all around games as well. Just can't shoot the damn ball. Rookie looks good out the gate. 15, like that's good. For a 12th pick too, that's really, really good. Zubac doing Zubac stuff. Okay, just playing good off the bench. Jamal Shed. He's on the bench for a reason. Scottie Pippen, he's been alright. Yabusele will be nice off the bench, and then we got Newell coming back. Okay. I don't mind that at all. He's back. And Scotty's out. Like, as long as we're winning, as long as we're not one of the worst teams in the league, because I don't want OKC to benefit off of us just not being good. That Jalen Green for Ben Mathurin. I don't think I can do that. Jalen does look good. I don't know. I like where we go with Ben Mathurin, I think. Just see how that goes. Carter Bryant in a first. No. I'm not giving up the rookie. Jamal Murray for. See, that's something I'd do. Jamal Murray's, yeah, he's in his prime. Still, Harden's getting old. I'm not gonna do it yet. I think we wait till the deadline to do it because it's probably gonna fuck our team up. So let's put that off while we can. We gotta win, and there's no reason to tank anyway. Yeah, that's what's cool about. I gotta give up this first, but Bam's a pretty good NBA player. It just sucks. We already have our bigs kind of filled out. Yeah, he looks good. He looks good. I honestly have to say no. I think we're gonna trade him. We try to get a young guard back. Let's see. Like, if we could somehow land Kobe White or something for Harden, that'd be cool. Come on, let's beat the Thunder. And a statement win. It's a statement win. Ooh, hold on. Jaren and Wiggs. I don't know. We got like another week. I'm just gonna wait it out. This is crazy. I've never seen Evan Mobley in the trade finder. We give up a lot, but we get back Evan Mobley. He will. Instead of giving up, no, I don't know. I don't think I can do that. That's crazy. Evan Mobley. I don't want to have him in another rebuild. Like, we just used him for the Cavs rebuild, and that's not ever gonna happen. Okay. What can we get for Harden? Sixers pick. That's very good. And Paul George. Bring him back to the Clippers? Hell no. Or like, yeah, some defenders. I like Kamara. He can play some defense. Drew is old. This is, yes, I think we're gonna do that trade. Unless there's something else I like here. For someone even like a bit younger. We like go quiet at the right time. We did. Bobby Portis. No, I think that the Fox trade's pretty interesting. He's making real money, but has Dean Wade even played for us? Yeah, but he's not doing too much. Yep. I'm gonna bring in De'Aaron Fox. This is a lot better looking of a squad, at least for the future. Because now we have cut. Because now, like, everyone on our team is pretty young. Like a power forward rotation. Beal will be gone next season. No one wants Bogdanovich. What about Bogdanovich and Coffee? Nothing. Okay. Well, he'll be on a minimum anyways. He also dropped like crazy. Okay. Well, I think that's all we're doing for that season. Kata, you can come back on the minimum. Let's just keep rolling. Like, we're already not gonna be bad. We're still winning. James Harden make the All-Star game. Fox make the All-Star game. No All-Stars. But we are the 3 seed. There's no way that dude expected us to win 64 games. We're outdoing expectations right now. Actually. We're still like a 50-win squad. Without, well, we made some changes. Like, look at that, that's almost a 60-win team. We still only the 3 seed that we would 60 games. Wemby MVP, Darren Peterson on the Hawks. If we could have got that pick when we did that, who did we trade? Kawhi. Fuck. Could have grabbed him. He could have been nice. Ivy's on the bench in Chicago. We got executive of the year. Let's go. Any Clippers? Dyson Daniels, all defensive first team. We like that. We like that. How did everyone do? Fox, okay, hold on. Fox averaged 25, 4 and 6 for us on not 50% from the field. We like that. Dyson, we know Dyson did. Ben Matherin was our leading scorer. Just coming out there frying. For a rookie, he played very good. How many games did he play? Played all 82. 16. What did he do after All-Star break? Looked even better. And as a starter, he was averaging 20. Zoo looked good. He's going to be a good backup center. Shed, actually, that's a good season from Shed. I respect it. Scottie Pippen, sure. And Yabusele. Solid. Isaac Newell's out. How did he look? Alright. Let's see how we do. We play OKC in the first round. We got swept by OKC. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't have even expected us to get here. So it's fine. Would have been nice to prove them wrong. Everybody's retiring. James Harden's still going though. Clippers, any Clippers picks? Okay, we got 28. So we're better than the Thunder. So we didn't even have to give it up. Okay. So we got the 28th pick. Hire a new team doctor. Hopefully this guy's good. I'll be counting on him. And what do we really need? We got a small forward. No. I don't know. Let's just go by everybody. Let's do the top few guys and just see. Maybe a backup 2 or a 3, yeah. This dude could be an all-star, or you could be Jalen Suggs as a floor. It's not a bad floor. I think we take a chance on him. I don't see why not, and I don't think anyone's gonna want. Yeah. Okay, well, let's grab this guy. I'm probably not gonna sign him. He's a 70 and he's 23. Yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe I'll bring him on a 2-way. Asen will bring back. Yep. He won't get an extension. Zubac wants an extension. Maybe for 14.5. Okay. Kata, yeah, you can stay, bro, as long as you want. We still want a better wing. Bring one of these guys. Jake LaRavia could be solid. Big body. Who can we bring in? Ooh, Filipowski. Maybe, or Santi Aldama could join the squad for sure. And then just another guard. Maybe some veteran guard play. If I see Fred VanVleet, sign him. And then Lou Dort, join the squad, man, please. Okay, and we got Lou Dort. I like that. We got some stoppers. Our twos are just straight stoppers. We're building a good defensive team. Let's see what everyone progresses. Dyson Daniels is now our best player. 88 overall. Three's gotten better. Ben Matherin got better. He got better. Aldama got worse. Labravia got a bit better. We watched down one. Yeah, he made a big jump. He might actually play a bit. Okay. Well, I think we're set. Jokic drops 55 on the Clipper. Yeah, okay. I'm just seeing this now. 50, 10, and 5 through 3 quarters. That's crazy. He just got me some fantasy points. Let me check that. I got lucky. I got Jokic. Yeah, okay. Harden's retiring now, so. Lineup performance factor. We're gonna lean with the young guys. Ty Lue, come on. What are we doing? Why are we starting? No. I'm not doing that. Jesus. Yeah, he gave me 99. That's crazy. Okay. Let's get Simmons. Good start, 5-0. I can't complain. If we 5-0, I really can't complain. We're not gonna get any better. This is okay. This might be the year. Yellow, we won the cup. Dyson Daniels Cup MVP. I like it. Let's keep that going. Dope. There's no reason to break this up now. We have something good cooking up. What's this? How old's this guy? Not look good yet. And yeah, there's no way I'm trading De'Aaron Fox. Sorry. This man's averaging 28 a game. The squad is rolling. Smack the Thunder. How about that? Okay. Shea wasn't even playing. De'Aaron's having a legacy season though. That's crazy. I remember that this season was special, bro. That Kings team was actually fun. For once, it was nice. How's the Rook doing? Or I mean, they don't Rook no more. He looked good. I think that was the right pickup. Ben Matherin still dropping 20 a night. He kind of regressed. He had that injury though. Jake Laravia is playing some good basketball. I love it. Lou Dort as well. Zubac. Okay. Honestly, man, I don't think I'll be making any trades. I think we're pretty good where we're at. No one can stop us at the moment. I'm getting so many trades. We sign them for the remainder of the year. What are we looking at here? 17 straight. It's all fun and games till the playoffs come around. Like, as long as no one get hurt, man, we should be alright. But you never know, anyone make a... Fox made it, let's go. Deserving. That was definitely the right move, trading for Fox. Because Harden's gone after the season anyway, so it was probably really some, if the Spurs were to do it, some way to get off some money. There's no way they do that, I don't think. So we got off with a fleece. We're going for it. We're going for it, come on. Last game of the season, 71-11. That's the best record we've got so far. That's why I wanted to pick him up. He actually is playing very good ball. But it's alright, you know, we're good. We got Executive of the Year and Coach of the Year. De'Aaron Fox All-NBA first team. This is crazy. I've never seen him put up like this in a simulation. Dyson all defensive first. That's nice. Why is his morale down? I don't see why I would. Why are you fed up, bro? You just won. We just won 71 games. You just got on an all defensive team. This is your chance to win a chip. Honestly, yeah, this is... You're not gonna get a better chance. Okay. We're in the conference finals. De'Aaron Fox averaged 40 fucking points. Playing the Hawks. 1-1. Very close game. Okay, bro. I'm not complaining. Okay. Don't let it end like that, guys. Come on, 3-1. We need one more win. One more win. Okay, I think that's gonna do it. We're gonna hop in and watch. I think that whoops. I think that should be the end though. Wow, okay, this was crazy. It didn't take as long as I thought it would. I have a video that took 2 hours to rebuild the Cavs, and they're in like a really win now situation. I just got lucky with the De'Aaron Fox, I guess, and just the luck of everything. This was a good squad though I made, I feel like. And it's like more realistic than like unrealistic. The De'Aaron Fox thing's the only thing that's like I don't know about, but like the trade to get Dyson was, I feel like that's actually a very fair trade. I could see that happening. And look at their matched up in the finals. It was almost win-win. And it's not even over. Come on, Dort, please hit that. It's not even over, please, no. Don't make me sell like this. Don't do it. Don't do it. I got defenders out here. I got defenders. Yeah, let's go. Okay. The Dyson Daniels Revenge series. Okay, because as long as they score and don't give up back-to-back threes, we should be chilling. Come on, Dyson for game. Zoo, okay. Good work, Zoo. That's why we kept him here. I think he might have been the only player we kept around. We're gonna check that after. I'm pretty sure. Unless I still have Amir Coffee on it. Well, Amir Coffee isn't even on the team right now in real life, but come on, Zoo. There we go. That should be game. Let's see. Yeah, this is like the same Hawks team other than, well, minus Tyson Daniels. Ricochet. Off. Okay. That's a wrap. There we go. Zubac poster. They're gonna hit one of these, right? Nah. Damn. Okay, that's how we go out and win a championship. Okay. Now I wonder. I feel like it has to be Fox, right, for Finals MVP. He had like 64. Where is he right now, though? Why wasn't he on the court? I'm confused. We got Freddie another ring. Them boys are sad. They were not having it. What is this, bro? I can't see. Fix your game, Ronnie, bro. What are you doing? Okay, Fox is holding up that Larry O'Brien and the Finals MVP. That's what I thought. Okay. That was cool. It was a good little rebuild. Let's check how those final stats went. I think Diarnosa fouled out. Yeah. Well, Jake LaRavia is a hero here on the Clippers. Well, we made some good moves. Yeah, I like this actually. This was fun. Let's just let's get that final screen. There we go. The Los Angeles Clippers have won the championship. Finals MVP De'Aaron Fox. 35 points a game. You know, I'd love to see it, but we'll see. I don't think this is happening. I don't think I will see him as a Clipper. So yeah. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Let me know if y'all want to see any other rebuilds or anything like that. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.